Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. UP CM Yogi Adityanath unveils statue of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay on his birth anniversary. Chief Minister Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on Wednesday unveiled a statue of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay and paid floral tribute to him here on the occasion of his birth anniversary. Addressing the media and the people present at the unveiling ceremony, the CM said that he wanted everyone to remember Pandit Dayal's vision and the hard work he put into building the country. On the birth occasion of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, I want you all to remember the vision and hard work that he put into building the country 70 years ago. His principles applied are still seen when we see the progress the country has made. We all are aware that he always used to think of the poor, the farmers, the women, and always kept them on the top. He always had empathy towards everyone and followed the vision of self dependency. His vision are the reason why the people of India could avail proper benefits of resources during the deadly COVID-19. Further, the CM said that it is because of Deen Dayal Upadhyay that the poor people and farmers in the country can avail the benefits given to them. It is because of him that the poor people and the farmers in the country have been able to avail the benefits. He always encouraged the nation to take a step ahead and following his vision. PM Narendra Modi has been able to make the nation progress. It is because of his vision that the BJP party has been able to defeat the Congress. I would like to unveil the statue of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay on his birth occasion and celebrate the vision he put into building the nation. He added. The CM also took to platform X and wrote a post. The post read, worshipper of Antyodaya, founding member of Bharatiya Jana Sangh, revered Pandit Dindayal Upadhyay ji, dedicated his entire life to national integration and progress of every section of society. His integral human philosophy gives immense inspiration to all of us for cultural development and service to the poor, deprived, and exploited people standing at the lowest rung of the society. A humble, terrible tribute to him on his birth anniversary today. Thank you guys for watching this.